guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be doing a recipe, and the recipe is a casserole, and I got the recipe off of the back of the Hormel tamales beef and chili sauce. So what you will need for this recipe, you will need tamales, which is this, and chili, which is this. Can you see? Alright, and Mexican blended cheese. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the chili at the bottom of the baking dish, and I don't have any nails, so I cannot get this open, so I'm going to need some assistance. So, like I said, I don't have any nails, so I'm going to pry it open with this because I like to bite my nails. It's a bad habit. Alright, so we're going to take the chili and put it at the bottom of the pan. And this is a recipe that I just happened to look on the back of the tamales can and saw the recipe. Here's the chili in the dish. Alright, so I'm gonna open this, and I've already cleaned the top of it to get all the germs off. Now, I've never had tamales before. How I found this recipe, I was at work and happened to see a can of tamales, and I was looking at the can and happened to see a recipe on the back of it. Alright, so it's, oof, I made a mess. Ew. So it says, also it's wrapped with paper. So it says to take the papers off and place them like that. It kind of feels gross. My hands are getting all messy. Ew. I've never had tamales before. This will be a first. Like I said, I was putting something on the shelf and happened to see this can, and then looked on the back of the can and saw this recipe, and I was like, wow, that would be good for a video. Okay, I'll just leave that in there. Okay, so I guess I maybe should have, well, I'm gonna just split them up. I should have got 2 cans of tamales, I guess. So, ew, it's like really messy. Okay, so, alright, so I'm guessing for this recipe you really should have like 2 cans of tamales, but okay, we're gonna make that work. And I'm fixing to put the cheese on it. Alright, so we do have the 4 cheese Mexican cheese, and we're going to sprinkle that on to our casserole. That is how it looks before we put it into the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350. So we're going to put it in the oven for how long? We're gonna put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and we have to set the oven to 350 degrees. So see you in a little bit. All right guys, so it's been about 20 to 30 minutes, and here is the finished product. So let's dig in and grab a taste. Get some of the cheese. Alright guys, so it's out the oven. Like, I've never had tamales before, so this is a first for me. And this dish was called casserole. And it included Hormel chili and some beef tamales. At first I wasn't sure how it might taste, but it's actually tasting pretty good. I wonder would it taste even better with some sauce or something with it, but it tasted pretty good. I like it. Okay, so I will have to give this recipe a thumbs up, and I'm trying to figure maybe if I don't have any sauce in the house, but I'm thinking if I had some sauce, a little bit salsa or something to put with it, it might taste even better, but it's good just the way it is also. So I will give this recipe a 5-star. And that's the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.